Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video coming from AROEVE, I do believe. This is their true HEPA air purifier, MK07 model number. Their website link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on it, see what other goodies they have. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. They'll ship it to you pretty fast. Also, you might want to buy some extra air filters right now, just so you can have it in case they do run out in a few months. You'll have it ready to go. Here we go. Easy to put together. I'll show you guys how to set it up and right now. Alright, this is what it looks like. We got it turned on. Already going for a few minutes. Right now it's shut off on the side. Right here. You want to take this off. This is going to be covered in plastic wrap. So you might want to, open this up first as soon as you get it and take off the wrapping and then put the filters back on. But it's really easy to put together. But these filters are really nice. I'll show you this. All you got to do is slide these right here. Remove that cover and then lift this tab. And you can just replace like so. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Really nice. Excellent quality made. So this will be good for any office room, kids room, gaming room, relaxation room. Here we go. We just slide it in. Bada boom. You heard a click. That is good to go. And now, just gotta remember what side. There we go. Line these up. Oops. Then right here, we're gonna have the LED display. Really nice. Don't mind the dust. A little dusty in here. Display off, timer, filter reset, air info, auto, sleep, speed, on and off. So you just hit this. Look at that nice display. And change the speed. 1 touch, 2, and there's the bars. 1, 2, 3 speed. And it's quiet though. I mean, it doesn't seem that loud. So it might because the mic is right next to it. So, but it is really quiet in the room. And like I said, there's a timer. You can do 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5. We'll do up to 9 right now. You can do auto, sleep mode, speed mode, you name it. This has it all. Now there's a laser, I do believe. It says a laser sensor on the back. I think it's fine now. So it's not coming out. But there we go. Yeah, definitely check them out. Like I said, I'll leave their links down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. See, there's a Prime or a PM10, PM 2.5, PM 1.0, and then filter reset, it's at 100, so we're good to go. Sleep, that's what happens in sleep mode. I need to change it one more to the highest, and we'll do 10 for that. So really cool. Check them out. Links down below. And that's about it though. Easy peasy purifier. Definitely a nice one to get. I might let it run for a few minutes maybe. Let you guys see if there's. I mean, I noticed a difference already because I just had it for about an hour now. Running, so I've noticed in a small room, I know it's a big difference. So there you go. Check them out. You guys be safe. Have a good night.